it's your fault, but it's the path you chose to walk. Shouldn't have got close to the dark, so anybody listening is what they thought. And I don't wanna say it's your fault, but it's the path you chose to walk. Shouldn't have got close to the dark, so anybody listening.
Anybody listening has food for thought. Everyone around me dying and I'm sitting here in an oppressive spot. I live in a small village but I can't go home. My hometown is Jackson and people getting shot day by day. I try to hide myself and keep away. I'm so fucking depressed, I might as well just take the pain to the next level. Sometimes I feel like I'm honestly the fucking devil. Several times over and over again, person kicking my ass like I'm some bum on the street. I'm busting this rap over this goddamn beat. America has so much shit wrong with it and all the president does is tweet. I'm hiding my face under my sheets. I'm so fucking surprised that I'm not fucking dead yet. My family's dying left and right and I'm standing here waiting. I'm finally over my ex and now I can start dating. I'm not like other rappers, I'm not word creating. My life's so damn frustrating. I'm going skating, actually I'm debating, going through the aggravating life stories. Man, I could be a board game cause I have so many categories.
I don't wanna say it's your fault, but it's the path you chose to walk. Shouldn't have got close to the dark, so anybody listening is what they thought. And I don't wanna say it's your fault, but it's the path you chose to walk. Shouldn't have got close to the dark, so anybody listening.
I guess the choice was made. You decided to slice yourself with a blade. All of our memories began to fade. Sometimes it felt like they were fan-made. I wish I would have been able to get to know you, but instead, you chose the path of robbery. Hope you ain't trying to go change me. You shouldn't have kept close to the dark. Robbing shit is your territory, but are you gonna mark it? Are you gonna get my depression started? You and I are not the same. You changed the game, now you're gone, crumbled on the fame. You should've fucking listened to me, you stupid bitch. Now you're lying in a casket with your pussy snitch. You always complain about video games, but I think you're the glitch. You switched up on me, you abandoned your own fucking family. You got shot when you robbed that gas station and the cops found you in a ditch. I need some stitches because of your constant bullshit. Wish you would've just stayed home and killed the fridge. You want me to die? Okay, I see a bridge.
I don't wanna say it's your fault, but it's the path you chose to walk. Shouldn't have got close to the dark, so anybody listening is what they thought. And I don't wanna say it's your fault, but it's the path you chose to walk. Shouldn't have got close to the dark, so anybody listening.
Fuck you, I ain't gonna die tonight. I know my life ain't right, but at least I'm bright. I have homies by my side, you are maggots by yours. I always get called a faggot because that's what I am. But you, no, you're just a bitch who dies for attention. Not to mention your suspension, here's my extension, 517. You broke your knee, but it should've been a hyperextension. Sorry bro, but you should've just followed my path, but instead you chose to have a fucking bloodbath.
And I don't wanna say it's your fault, but it's the path you chose to walk. Shouldn't have kept close to the dark, so anybody listening is food for thought. And I don't wanna say it's your fault, but it's the path you chose to walk. Shouldn't have kept close to the dark, so anybody listening. And I don't wanna say it's your fault, but it's the path you chose to walk. Shouldn't have kept close to the dark, so anybody